ADATA Industrial, forging the future of industrial edge AI. ADATA Industrial, a global leader in industrial storage, is driving the rise of this smart revolution, including AIoT, edge computing, automation, embedded systems, healthcare, networking security, smart retail, gaming, surveillance, smart transportation. Our mission is to pioneer the AI future, making intelligence an integral part of life. In response to the AI revolution, ADATA Industrial Solutions boasts three pivotal core strengths: seamless data connectivity, enhanced high-speed computing, strengthened security systems. ADATA Industrial Solutions operates 5 precision manufacturing facilities in Taiwan, China, Brazil, and India to meet global demand with a flexible supply chain, expertly integrating hardware and software. ADATA Industrial provide clients with optimal solutions, forging the future of industrial edge AI. ADATA Industrial, global leader in industrial storage.